Hey there everyone, this is Oliver with Stan Roll Forming Machines, and today we would like to show you our button punch snap lock former. This machine here is capable of producing two different profiles, which are male and female sides of the button punch snap lock system. We will be using 26 gauge galvanized steel to run some tests, and without any further ado, let's jump right in. Before we plug in this machine, I will give you some technical specifications on this roll former. First of all, the gauge capacity of this roll former here stands at 18 to 26 gauge, which gives you kind of versatility with your material thickness. The power specifications of this machine is 220 volts and one phase. So basically, if you have a workshop, the chances are you will be able to plug this machine in. And before we actually turn on this machine, I will also advise you that if you use this or any other roll formers, you don't put your fingers anywhere near the rollers once the machine is plugged in. And now it's time to start. And first we will start with the male side of the button punch snap lock system. Once the male side of our system is produced, let's now produce the female seam, and after that see how they connect together. Now these two profiles have been produced, and we can connect them by snapping the female side onto the male side. And that's what we get after connecting the male and female side of the button punch snap lock system together. As you can see, they're connected pretty tightly together, which works perfectly for reliable and lasting ducts. Thank you so much for watching this video. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in this roll former or any other sheet metal work machinery, feel free to visit our website stangroup.ca. My name is Oliver and this is Stan Roll Forming Machines. I will see you next time.